What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Trading Tips. So today we are going to talk about value areas, right? To us, value areas are areas that determine the direction of the market, that show us the dominant direction. If these areas are broken, then it means the market has changed direction, right? So as you see, we have Nasdaq here, right? Where was Nasdaq's value area? To show us that if this area breaks, if the market breaks this area, then Nasdaq, we are going to go bullish or bearish, right? So in this case, this was our value area, right? That was our value area right there. So if Nasdaq broke this area, we were sure to go bearish on Nasdaq long term. That was our main focus. If Nasdaq broke out of that area, right, we were going bearish on Nasdaq. And what happened? Nasdaq beautifully broke that area, right? It beautifully broke that area. So going to current price, right? Where's our dominant area, right? So let's say, for example, let's take this. This was our next value area on Nasdaq. This was our next value area, right? So if Nasdaq managed to break that area, then we were going to go back bullish on Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq failed to break that area, so we went bearish. And the next value area, same as this one, is here. So I'm expecting the market to give me same thing it gave me here to happen here, right? I'm expecting the market to give me the same thing, to reject of our value area, right? So for us, we just want to mark out that as our value area. We just want to mark it out as our value area, you know, just to know that the market has, if it breaks above this area, then we're going to go bullish, right? That was value area 1. It was respected. Now we are at value area 2. The Nasdaq is approaching this value area, right? It's approaching that area. So what happens there on Nasdaq will determine whether we are going bearish or bullish, right? So let's go to the smaller time frame, just to give you in depth of smaller value areas based on, you know, the direction, not direction, but based on taking smaller short entries, right? For example, where was Nasdaq's value area on this move? The value area was this, right? This was our value area, right? So we were like, if Nasdaq breaks above this area, we are going to take short buys to the upside till this area. And we did take short buys till that area. That's our main value area. That's going to determine if Nasdaq is going to go bullish or bearish. This is just for short buys and short sales, right? Our value area here was this area. If you go back, that was our value area. So if Nasdaq broke above that, we were going to look for short buys to take it hopefully until there, but it failed. It came back down. So we respected that, and then we moved our value area to that. You see, that was our value area. First, it was our value area. So if Nasdaq breaks, we go with buys. If it respects, we go with the sells. It respected, we went with the sells, right? And then it came like to a point where the market was forming a pattern, as you can see here, right? Forming a pattern. So that was it. So Nasdaq failed to break this area as well. So we went up. So we decided, okay, this is our value area, right? This is our value area. So we are going to leave the market to push up, right? As the market approaches this area, if it breaks above this area, we are taking buys. If it rejects, we are taking sells, right? So hopefully continue the down move. But we know that this is our main value area, right? And Nasdaq broke this current value area, that value area, to move to the upside. So our next anticipated value area is the main one that will determine the direction of Nasdaq, which is this one, right? So if Nasdaq manages to break above this area, if it manages to break above that area and hopefully goes up, then we're going bullish for effect. Then we're going bullish on Nasdaq. Then we will be bullish on Nasdaq. So we know that this is our value area, right? Value area, right? If Nasdaq manages to reject off there, then we're just going bearish. We will take an entry there. We won't even stop to come and look at this area as a TP zone, at that area as TP. No, because that area is no longer valid to us. It's no longer valid to us because we have just gotten momentum from the most important value area, which is that we got momentum from there to push the market towards the downside, right? Towards the downside. Just a quick tip to get you ahead in the market, you know. So removing that value area, and then you have the market as such, and the market is pushing up. it's pushing up to that value area, right? That's it. That's an anticipated move. If not that, then that. You see, one of the two has to play out. You need to have your edge in the market to know. You need to stay neutral in the market. You can't marry a setup. You can't stick to it like it has to happen. You are not in control of the market. You just trade what the market gives you. Always keep in mind that your value areas determine the dominant direction, right? Channel the Milker signing out.